Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine. This is Dharmesh, your English PRT teacher. Dear student, this is a continuation from your English reader. This is chapter number 8. Today we will read chapter number 8 from your English reader book. Dear student, the name of chapter is Baghdad, Merchant and the Camel Driver. Okay, this is the story of a merchant and a camel driver. Okay, so let's see what is going to happen in this story. Dear students, before moving to this explanation of this story, narration of this story, let us discuss some word meanings which is given on your page number 43. The first one is merchant. What is merchant? Merchant means businessman, to sell something from different parts of country, from here to there, that is businessman. Merchant, we call it merchant. And caravan is a group of people, lots of people, that is known as group of people. We can call it caravan. And second one is fall means to be fall in something and fall from down, or that is. And search means found something, searching for something and try to find something. Beard means hair on cheeks, that is hair on cheeks, we can call it beard. Arrive means to reach, like you have to arrive at school 7 o'clock early morning, that is arrive. Afraid means fearful. Sometimes we are afraid of doing bad activities, and we are not completing our homework on time. That's why sometimes we get scared also that we are going to be schooled by our teacher and all that. So dear student, this is let's start. Baghdad. This lesson is about merchant who hand over his bale of silk to a camel driver, and he cheated the merchant. What happened is, once upon a time there was a merchant in Baghdad who about to go in caravan or to sell to sell something here. Okay, suddenly he fall ill, so he wanted to Daramis is a place where he want to sell his silk, but he falls ill sometimes. He unable to attend that business meeting. That's why he decided bale of silk to his camel driver. Camel driver is a person who used to carry a camel here and there and carry goods from one place to another. That is known as camel driver. Okay, so he just given that his to sell silk to that camel driver. But what happened is, that camel driver waited for that merchant. He didn't come, and what he did, he sell that bulk of silk, and we can call that bale of silk means हिंदी में उसको बोलते हैं ना गठरी, एक गठरी टाइप की रहता है ना. ओके, सो वी कॉल देम अ बेल ऑफ सिल्क. ओके, बेल ऑफ सिल्क टू अ पर्सन. ओके, merchant, in order to earn more profit. So what happened is, when merchant, and he is afraid of that what he will going to reply to his the merchant, that what has happened to the silk. So he is afraid also, and he hide himself somewhere else. And when after that man got fit, he moved to where Damascus. Okay, to find that camel driver. Okay, what he caught surely saving himself, and what he did is, he saved himself a beard, dyed, and is dressed in fine clothes, so that nobody is unable to recognize him. Okay, but one day the long time Baghdad merchant arrived, and he find that camel driver. He searched him in Damascus but could not find him. One day he recognized him, and he went merchant Spaniard and refused him to recognize. Baghdad merchant felt that the camel driver was cheating him. He therefore took this to judge and narrate the case in front of judge. Judge Camel was after hearing the judgment, the camel driver was very happy because he unable to identify him. I can't do anything, said the judge. But Baghdad merchant was disappointed, but he suddenly remembered one trick. He called him camel driver. He just moving like here and say camel driver, okay. So he identifies him. And what happened? What happened is he stopped and turned around. The judge scolded him and puts him in a prison, make him to pay money to Baghdad merchant. Okay, dear students, in simple language, if I would explain this chapter to you or narrate this story to you, what happened is there is one merchant who want to sell his silk to and want to go to outside some other city to sell that silk. Okay, what happened? He felt ill. That's why he chose a camel driver to sell that bulk of silk to somebody else. Okay, what happened is the meeting is fixed and the person did not came there. That's why what he did, he sell that silk to at higher amount. Okay, in order to earn more profit. And he is scared because if a merchant asks where is my silk and where is the money in return, so he bared himself. Okay, he cleaned his safe and hide somewhere else. One day when he think that he didn't return, what he did, he went there and searched him and he found him, but he said, I am not a merchant, I am also a merchant, I am not a camel rider, I am not a camel driver. But by trick he called him camel driver, he returned and he recognized it. Okay, so this is a basically story about this. He cheated him and he got punished. Okay, and dear student, in second part of this video I will send you choose the correct options, fill in the blanks, true and false, and answer the following questions in separate PDF to you. Okay, till now you just read this story, very interesting story, and if you are facing any problem you can ask in Zoom meeting or call me. Very simple story. Okay, so thank you dear students. In next video I will send you a PDF of this question and answers. Okay, thank you dear students for watching this.